Okay, so today we're going to be upgrading our tail lights from our JL, from the regular halogen to the factory LEDs. Basically, all you're going to need is the toolkit that came with a Jeep. And we're going to change first our passenger tail light. So you're going to want to go inside, pop this cover up. Same goes on this side, that cover over there. Okay. And once you pull it out, okay, so once you got it pop off, you got that bolt there. You're gonna use your T40 from the kit. Let's see if I can find it right there. Okay, and the ratchet. And once it's all loose, pull it out. That's what it looks like. It's actually a plastic bolt, so you gotta be careful not to strip it. Once we do that, this is like super simple. So you gotta move the right clip back, and then loosen from here, and loosen from the tail light, and you're good to go. Okay, so we got our old tail light and the new LED tail light. Exactly the same. Yes, if you want to change the bulbs, on this case, on the halogen one, just take these 3 screws out. This comes up, and then you get access to all the bolts. In this case, we don't got anything because it's LED. As you can see, we got it in there. It's completely plug and play, same plug, so you don't have to worry about nothing. And then we just gotta put our screw back in there and tighten it up. Okay, we got bolt tied up. Don't do it too tight because you're gonna strip it since it's plastic. We'll put the cover back in there. Like never had nothing happen. So right now we got the driver's side, passenger side, I'm sorry. And you can see the compression with the driver's side. Also, what I really like on the LED, this lights up. You got the Jeep logo on the bottom here, the front grille. Much nicer LED. Well, we're gonna turn it on and see what happens. So we got a light on the side here, all the way around. And this one, just a bulb inside. Nothing around turns the light on the side. So they're about $250, $275 with a cheaping each tail light, but it looks a lot better.